Okay, so Unit 1, Lesson 5 deals with all these rules that you saw over the last couple nights mixed up together on one page, just so we could kind of sort them out a little bit. All right, so our objective for today, what we want, oops, wrong thing, all right, is we want to be able to apply the sign rules for the correct integer operation. So whether it's addition or subtraction or multiplication or division and so on. Okay, so these are the general rules, all right, that you guys wrote over the last few days. All right, remember when we add two positives, our answer is positive. When we add two negatives, our answer is negative. That's different than over here when we have two positives positive and two negatives is also positive. Okay, so keep in mind addition and subtraction have separate sign rules from multiplication and division. Okay. Example 1, you're asked to draw a line from each term to its correct meaning. All right, I'm going to have you do that on your own. All right, and we'll check the answer tomorrow in class. All right, let's move on to example 2. All right, so notice what we have going on here. All right, we're mixing up all four of the operations. So when we look at A, we're adding, and we're adding with different signs. So I'm actually going to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger absolute value. 12 is bigger than 3. 12 is negative. Our answer is negative. When I look at B, we would say that these have it's a subtraction problem, but we would say that they have the same sign, so we're going to add and keep that sign. Again, if you prefer, you could always do leave, change, change if you want. All right, and then you see that it's the same sign, but if you see it quicker, it'll save you a lot of time, especially as we get to solving equations and stuff like that. All right, example 2C, we're multiplying now. Okay, so I have a negative times a positive. It's going to be negative, and that's going to come out to be 36. And the last one, negative and a positive, once again is negative, and that's going to divide out to become 4. Okay, so you got to mix up the rules in your head as you go. All right, looking at example 3, we have subtraction first. All right, this is what we consider to be double signed. We talked about that the other day. All right, when it's double signed, I would tell you to definitely do leave, change, change. Minus a negative becomes the big mega plus. All right, and then we have different signs, so I subtract and keep the sign of the larger absolute value. All right, B, this is also double signed, but it's already addition, so I don't mess with that in addition. All right, we have the same sign, so I'm going to add and keep the sign. Example C. Same numbers in all these problems, different operation. Now it's division, so two negative numbers is going to come out to be positive, positive 2. Same in multiplication. Two negative numbers are going to come out to be positive, and there's 32. Okay? So, once again, here we go. You're at the end. Very simple, short video for you today. All you have to do is, after watching this video, tell us what you can do now. All right? If there's still something that you don't know how to do, you write it here, and then you're going to, actually, you're not circling, you're going to write down one of these things. Rewatch a video, ask a friend, something like that. All right, we'll see you in class tomorrow.